Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Scarlett with Scarlett's Little Crafty Corner, and today I have got another Temu unbagging for you. Now, this is not sponsored by Temu. This was purchased by my own money, but I am a Temu influencer, so all the info will be in my description box. So if you are a first-time Temu buyer, you can go and download the app using my link, and you will get, I think, $100 worth of coupons, and also you can use my discount for like 30% off your first purchase within the first hour of using the link, I believe. I don't know. You will have to get on there and see what it says. So, what did I get? Well, let's look and see. So, the first thing I got, as you know, if you have been following me, I have got two Boston Terriers. And I have got one that is, he is just a big old goofball. And he loves to play catch, but he just tears everything up. So I seen this on Temu, and how do I get in this? I gave $7.47 for this, but it is a huge tennis ball, and it come deflated. But I am going to have my husband blow it up, and then I will come back at the end of the video while I'm doing my editing, and I will put a video in showing this blowed up, and I will show Buster and Booger playing with it. But it is the feel of a tennis ball. It is, you know, got that fuzz on it with the little tennis ball. I'll also put a picture in here somewhere of what it looks like on the Temu app. But I gave $7.47 for this, and it's supposed to be pretty big. So everything they get, they just tear it up. So I'm hoping that he will not tear this up within the first 5 minutes. So I got that, and then the temperatures here have been horrible, so I got them a cooling mat. Now there's different sizes of this. Of course, I got a large. I did give $8.32 for this, and I hope this works. But it's supposed to help keep them cool. It's supposed to take away the heat, and it does feel kind of cool to my hands. This on the bottom is like a rubbery. It's got the little bumps on it, if you can see, to where it doesn't slide. But you put this on your floor, and it's supposed to keep the heat from them. And it is kind of cool feeling. You don't do anything to it. It is machine washable, it said in the description. Now, I will leave the prices and everything in the description box. This is plenty big enough for both my Bostons to both lay on it. My biggest Boston is like 30 pounds. And my smallest Boston is like 17 pounds. And then here is the tag, if you can see. Now, it did say that it was machine washable, but it also said that you could wet this and lay it out for them, but it wasn't necessary. So we're going to see if this works. But like I said, this was $8.32, and this is a large, and it did come in small, medium, and large. I think they were all the same color, though. So we're going to see if that works. Now, the other things that I got was like no big deal. But I got this stuff just so I could get free shipping. But these things are so useful. These are, I got 2 packs of these, and I gave $1.18 for each pack. But these are those, these little things that you put on your cables to keep, like, let me see. Like these. Of course, this has got the little tie on it because I haven't took this off yet. Where is the opening? But I figured I'm going to give my daughter a pack of these. And they are a 5-pack. But what you do is you would take, if I didn't have this tie on it already, you would take and you would roll these up. And then you just put these on there. And it keeps them from unraveling. And for $1.18 for 5 of them, that's not bad. But yeah, I've already got 1 pack, and I've got all of my cords and stuff over here, and it really helps out a lot with organization on my desk, because before I got these, I had cords hanging all over the place. Now they're all up out of the way. So those are good. And then I got some of these zip ties. I gave 48 cents for these. And these are 10. There's 10 pieces in this. And I think these are supposed to be reusable. But I got these. These are like Velcro. Yep. These are Velcro, and you're supposed to be able to, like, I think these are like, well, I mean, you can use these for anything, but I'm going to use them for the cords and behind my TV. Like all my cable cords and my TV cord and the phone cord and the modem cord and all that mess. There's so many cords behind my TV, and then I can zip them and be done with them. So that's what those are going to go on. And those, like I said, were 48 cents. And then I gave $1.68 for this. I'm going to put this in my bathroom. And it's got like a little suction cup right here. Just suctions onto the side of your tub. And you just stick this in here. Sticks that onto there, and it's for your soap. And you just put your soap in there so that it drains off and it doesn't get all gummy and yucko, and it doesn't get the side of your tub all gummy and yucko, and it just drains off. And yeah, so I'm gonna put this in my bathroom. And like I said, I gave $1.68 for this. And yeah, so what do y'all think about this haul? I'm excited to see if Buster likes this, and if this cooling mat works. Because, like I said, it has been so hot here in Kentucky. And the boys, they go outside to do their business. They come in, and Buster is, like, just about to die. And he comes in here, and he lays down on the wood floor. And he is just like, oh my God, I'm so hot. So I'm going to try this out, see if it works. And this is a whole lot cheaper than I have looked on Amazon. And oh my God, the cooling mats can range all the way up into big money. And I've also seen some at PetSmart and lots of different stores. And I think the cheapest one I have seen was like $25. So I'm going to try this one. I mean, if it doesn't work, I'm out $8, and they can still use it to lay on. But this right here is what I'm most excited about. So I am going to, like I said, I'm going to let my husband blow this up, and we will come back and see what this looks like blowed up and see if they enjoy playing with it. So I will be back. Okay, so I had my husband blow this up. I'm going to bring y'all up a little bit. It says on the, let me show you what this looks like. This is what it looks like. It says it's supposed to be 9.5 inches. That ball that you see in the picture is unrealistic. This is as big as it's going to get without it busting. It has got 3,792 reviews, and there is a picture of someone's dog with one, and there's some pictures, but yeah, I don't know how they got theirs that big. But anyway, for $7.47, this is how big it is. There's no way that it is 9.5 inches, because it would have to be this big, and it's not. So, but I don't care. He's gonna love it. And the only thing I'm worried about is this spot. This is where you blow it up at. I gotta figure something out, because that's the first thing he's gonna do is sink his teeth right there. And I'm afraid he's gonna bust it, so I don't know what to do. I could tape it, but he's just gonna pull the tape off. So I'm not real sure what to do about this. But anyway, anytime he's had any tennis balls, he's usually chewed the fuzz off. So I'm just really wondering what he's going to do about this. So let me pause this so I can take my phone off the stand, because he is over here just absolutely going bonkers trying to get this ball. And we will see what he does with the ball. So we'll be right back. Okay, so here is Buster and Booger, and they are fixing to play with this ball.
Oh, get it, man. Uh-oh.
They're not real sure what to do. Let me turn around to where he's trying to find somewhere to grip it. And that's what I'm afraid of. Buster. So I'm going to give this a 5-star, because so far he likes it. Oh, and there's this little newspaper thing that I bought that I didn't think that would last. Well, it has. They love that thing. He's trying to find how to grip it. So we'll see how long this ball lasts. I will definitely let y'all know. So anyway, y'all, thanks for watching. Leave me a comment. Do all the YouTubey things. Like, comment. And until my next video, I will see y'all later. Bye, y'all.